Never mind.
You're on Jamboard.
All right. Yeah, so this will be fun. I don't think we've ever done this before, where we're drawing using one of our favorite tools of our session trainings. But hi, my name is Brian. I have with me, my name is Perry. That's Brian right here.
I'm like, oh, okay.
And then we have Becca and Chris joining us as well. We're going to play some. I was saying Pictionary because I didn't want to worry with copyright or anything, but I think Mattel owns the rights to that. But we're going to play some Pictionary today that is CS themed. It's so nice to have you with us. And we have another Chris too. Hi, Chris. So Becca will have another person on her team, I guess. And the simple rules for this. If you've never played before, first of all, and they're scrolling at the very bottom of the screen. You can't draw anything that is like an ear that is used for sounds like. We're gonna refrain from doing that. You can't have any letters or numbers. You can't talk while you're drawing, and no sign language. We can see you in the picture, so no sign language. You've got to only speak with the Jamboard that we have. So for those of you who are hanging out with us, I hope you enjoy this. We're going to play, since we've got 3 people playing. One person will draw, and the other 2 will guess. And if one of those people guesses during 60 seconds, that person, if they guess correctly, they will get a point, and then we'll rotate, and it will be the next person's turn. So with that being said, do you think we're ready to go?
I think so. I mean, I think I caught all those rules there. I don't know.
All right. Excellent. And we have Chris joining us, as promised last week, one of our biggest fans and apprentices in the program. So it's nice to have you here, Chris, as a guest. So here we go. Brian, choose a number between 1 and 10.
Oh, that's right. I'm first.
Yep.
Let's go with 1.
1. Okay. If Rebecca and Chris would cover your eyes, please. No peeking. No peeking. And I'm going to show the word so that everybody at home can see it and Brian can see it.
Okay. Wait, I don't see it.
Do you see it?
I didn't see it.
It's up now as a banner. You can't see the banner?
Having a slight technical difficulty for a second.
Okay.
Right. So that's why I said I couldn't see it. Give me 1 second. Now I can see.
All right.
Yep.
All right. Let's try again. Thank you for those of you closing your eyes. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Got it.
All right.
Yep.
You can open your eyes. Let's go over to Jamboard. And we're going to do a, not 60-minute timer. Oh, man. I just had this.
Take your time.
Yeah, might as well.
You've got an hour.
All right, Barry, do you want me to draw on this one here, or are we going to draw on the next slide?
Yeah, you're going to draw on the next slide.
Okay.
So you can move it forward, actually.
So we need to be on slide 2?
Yes, be on slide 2 in order to see.
Nice.
Are you ready, Brian?
Becca's drawing.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. All right, here we go. And begin.
We really need to work on our counter music.
Baseball, basketball.
Is this a computer science term?
It is.
Wi-Fi?
Okay. Because it looks like a basketball. That's a computer science.
It does look like basketball. That's why I was asking.
Network.
Oh, gosh. World Wide Web?
That's
we have 10 seconds left.
I'm going to go with my normal guess of cyberbullying.
Cyberbullying.
Nice. And that is time. No points awarded. Brian, do you want to say what it is?
That was internet.
It was the internet. Very good.
I said World Wide Web.
I
Well,
agree.
the World Wide Web is not the internet. The World Wide Web is an application that runs on top of the internet.
Sheesh.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
All right, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. Let's go ahead and go on to the next one. So, Becca, do you want to go next?
Sure. And I'm just
right.
apologizing ahead of time, everybody.
All right.
Are we on slide 3?
So we
here?
are on slide 3,
Share link information.
which means that Becca, you get to choose.
Oh, okay.
You get to choose the word that you want to.
Do I get to
So,
pick a number?
Pick a number between 2 and 10.
I'm going to pick 6 because it is the first perfect number.
Okay. All right.
Ooh.
Excellent. So, Brian and Chris, if you would close your eyes, please.
There's a lot of trust involved in this.
There is, isn't there?
Yeah.
Can you see it, Becca?
Okay.
All right.
At least we're not trying to fall backwards into someone's arms.
Exactly. A trust
no.
fall, right?
I love you all, but no.
All right. I think we're ready to go. I'm going to reset the timer here. And Becca, are you ready?
I am ready.
And go.
Lizard.
Email.
Aha.
And that is it. Good job, Chris. 12 seconds in, and he gets
Nice.
it. All right.
I
Good
was trying to come up with a way of drawing my personal nemesis, but I figured that might be a little scary. So.
I'm going to give Chris a point there. All right.
I feel like that was a lot easier than internet.
Well, if we're going to be pedantic about like the internet not being the World Wide Web, it's probably correct information. I don't understand how we're expected to play this game.
That's right. And you do know that there's like an AP test after this Pictionary game, right?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So it's all about the details.
Are we allowed to have note cards?
One note card. That's it.
Okay, front and back.
Front and back.
4x6.
4x6. That's
Okay.
the details. All right. Chris, you get to choose a number between 1 and 10. Do not choose 2. Or sorry, do not choose 1. Do not choose 6.
8.
8. All right. If I could have the other participants close their eyes, please. Is Brian frozen? He might. Oh, there he goes. All right. Here it is, Chris.
Ooh. Okay.
You got it? All right. This will be a
Maybe.
good one. All right.
Okay.
And I will reset the clock. And Chris, if you're ready.
Are we allowed to open our eyes? You
Oh,
have
yeah.
to-
Sorry. Open your eyes.
Brian and I are just hanging in the dark, not doing
No,
anything.
it's going to be really hard for you to guess without your eyes seeing. All right.
Yeah.
So, Chris, are you ready? Here
Yeah,
we go.
Ooh, color. I didn't know that was an option. Or
Bit? Is it a bit?
flag variable. Pixel.
Oh, there it is.
Ah!
Really?
You got it.
Really?
It is Pixel.
Yes, Brian. Really.
Good job. That was a great guess. Pixel. All right. So I'm going to go back to here and let's give Becca a point. All right.
Let's see. So Perry, there's a question if the audience can participate as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. I would have to be able to see. All right.
Well, I think what we could do,
Everything-
Perry, is call on somebody and have them be a guest artist. Not that
Oh, right.
Perry, Chris, and I are not amazing, but if I put a comment of the Jamboard, they should be able to join on Jamboard and draw.
Oh, right.
right?
Yeah. So I guess my question is, oh, that's my, do you guys hear my timer? My timer's going off. All right. Let's see. The hard part is I don't know if there's a way for me to secretly, well, I guess all three of you would have to cover your eyes, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is pretty technical.
So
Right.
Laura is asking if other people can play. So Laura, would you like to play? If so, respond.
I feel like Laura, as the graphic artist, might have a little bit of a leg up. So I'm curious to see with the drawing what you might
All
come
right.
up with. All right.
Excellent.
So are
Okay,
you able
so-
to access Jamboard, Laura? I
What? Well,
popped the link in, but
oh, great.
all right. So we're moving to slide 5.
Hey, that's Laura.
Apologies for my handwriting.
Excellent. Excellent. And
All
let's
right.
see.
So,
All right. Do we need to close our eyes?
So Laura, what number would you like?
oh, the wait time is killing
I
me.
know. I'm thinking about it.
What number? I guess I could pick randomly.
Oh, her
too.
daughter's going to play. Awesome.
Very nice.
And Lauren's daughter is an alum of the Eureka program. So I feel like she also has a little bit of a leg up with the computer
Oh,
science.
nice. All right, 4.
Mhm.
We're going to
Okay.
go with 4. All right, so if you all would close your eyes. And I'm going to put up the word. All right, this one's a little bit tricky, but we'll see how it goes at least. I'm going to reset the time. And Laura, if you are ready, you all can look again. I keep on forgetting. I keep on
I think
forgetting.
you're doing
Okay,
it intentionally there.
open your
I
eyes.
think so too. Yeah.
Ready or not. All right. And Laura, I hope you're ready. I'm going to push start and we will go.
Some technical issues.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, no.
Oh, okay. Do you want to try?
Okay.
Do you want to try writing on the thing now? Does that work? Yeah, that is tricky if we're using a different interface.
Well, why
So-
don't we leave them with the same word and we'll do another word and then we can come
Okay.
back.
All right. So Brian, it's your job again.
It's
and we'll,
my turn.
Yeah. So let's. Should we just make a new board and go to 6 for you?
Yep.
Let's do it.
I don't know
And then
why
we'll
I'm
see.
labeling these. It just feels like it should happen.
Yeah. All right.
Now, do we want to let people in the chat window guess?
Yeah, sure.
We could. And Brian, what number would you like?
What numbers do I have left to choose?
You cannot choose 1, 4, 6, or 8.
Okay. 2.
All right.
And
Becca.
Barry, it looks like you need to go ahead a slide. Do we need to cover our
Oh, okay.
eyes?
Yeah, I can do it. Thank you.
Oh, wait, we're trusting everybody at home to cover their eyes.
That's right. Yeah. Close your eyes. And
Giving you trust
you said
exercise.
2, right, Brian? 2.
2.
Here it is.
Yes.
This is number 2.
Okay. This is
All right.
interesting.
Can we
wait.
peek?
All right. And
Make a
Brian,
change.
I'm going to reset. Oh, I've already reset the timer, and I think we're good to go.
Are we allowed to uncover?
And you can uncover your eyes now.
Okay.
I always forget that detail. And here we go.
Okay.
I'll be looking in the comments too to see if somebody else guesses.
Okay, good. Oh, I think I know what it is. But I want to see if anybody else playing at home can get it. And Brian, excellent drawing. Very positive.
Yeah, that's good. I didn't think about that one.
Yeah, would not have thought about that.
Anybody in the audience? We've got 5
All right.
people watching. What could this be? All right. Anybody?
Oh, Brian's heading. Oh.
Nice. Excellent detail. Very nice.
All right, Chris, do you want to go ahead and call it out?
I think it's password.
Password is correct. Whew, that was just in the nick of
Nice.
time, too.
The password is.
And Brian,
Password.
hold on. I wouldn't have thought of that, but as soon as you started going, I was like, oh,
I figured the whole asterisk things. That's how people don't know. You know?
I
Yeah,
thought
that
it
was
was
good.
Chinese or Japanese there. For,
It was a little hard to get the asterisk going with the mouse.
Yeah. Nice. Becca, do you want to go next?
Sure.
On
Okay. I'm on it.
number
Slide 7.
Yep, slide number 7, and I'm going to give you the list of numbers that you can choose. You can choose.
Is 3 still in play?
3 is still in play.
Okay. I
3,
think
is that what
I'm
you
going
want?
with the Steve of Aristophanes approach,
Okay.
and I'm going to choose 3.
All right. So Brian and Chris, if you would close your eyes, please. Here is number 3.
Uh-oh.
All right, Brian and Chris, you can open up your eyes. And I'm going to reset the clock. And are you ready, Becca? Here we go.
All right. I'm just apologizing, everybody.
Wow, she's quick.
Wow. Like, I feel like watching a time lapse video.
Input device, output device.
Game console, computer, monitor,
Input.
monitor.
Oh, you're getting so close.
A byte.
Output display.
Oh, sorry. I'm using sign language.
Screen. IP.
10 seconds left.
Information.
Oh,
Data.
Data.
There we go. Oh, excellent job. Right at the buzzer.
That was
Good
some
job.
good teamwork. Oh, and then we had, we had some really good guesses. I'm sorry, I probably shouldn't have started with a monitor. That wasn't fair.
So monitor.
Yeah. So is that 3 for you, Chris? That's 3 for you.
Yeah. I kind of feel like Brian earned one too, though. That was a teteam
Yeah,
collaboration.
that was. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead. I'm feeling
No.
generous.
I don't
There
want
you
the
go.
pity points.
Pity points.
No,
It was collaboration. Oh, and then Samia guessed code, which, I think that drawing could have been.
yeah, those were all good guesses. Screen,
Yes.
monitor, code. Those are great. All right.
I'm
So now we
my
are on.
Brainy Smurf cup, or my Brainy Smurf cup, to try to help me out with the next one.
Oh, for a while I was like, where did Chris go? Well, my banner is covering him up. Here we go. Now we can
Right,
see
we
him
need to
again.
cover our eyes.
The other way.
Right. That's how I cover his eyes, right? All right.
That took me a second.
All right. Chris, it is your turn to choose a number, either 5, 7, 9, or 10.
10.
10? All right. Brian and Becca, if you would cover your eyes, please.
Also, everybody playing at home, no cheating. We'll know.
All right. And you can uncover your eyes.
Woo.
He remembered.
Yeah, I'm getting the hang of this now. Pamela usually does this part, the emceeing part, right? This is a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, and I think we're really getting a real appreciation of how hard she works to make this.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So shout out, Pam. It's a tricky job. All right. I've got a timer set at 1 minute. Are you ready, Chris?
I think so.
We are on slide number 8, and here we go.
I'm earning a point this time.
Yes.
Worksheet.
Web page.
Web page.
Oh, so close.
Website.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is it. Good job.
Website.
Yeah, no
It
pity
is
points there.
website. Website.
Nice.
Excellent job.
I
All
was
right, so that was
a draw champion back in '79.
Nice. So that was a Brian point. Good job. All right. So now we're slide 9 of 9. Do we want to keep on going?
Is Laura ready to go?
Yeah, let's check. See how Laura's doing.
Yeah, that was a great job, by the way, Chris.
Laura, were you able to fix
that was really good.
the tech issue, or should we go on? What do you think? You know, we could always do this another time and have her do it actually live with us, like as
Yes.
one of the
I think that would be,
characters, right? Right. Okay. All right. So she's not going to do the Jamboard thing this time, but that's all right. So she'll continue to participate from the audience. All right. So that means Brian, it's your turn to choose again. You can
Ooh.
choose, and her number is back into play. She had 4, so you can choose 4, 5, 7, or 9.
I don't know why 9 is calling me, so let's do 9.
All right. Very good. Okay. And if Chris and Becca would avert your eyes, please.
Okay.
All right. Should I give you some more time, Brian, or
I mean, listen, that's going to be interesting.
let's
see.
give it a go. Let's give it a go.
Wait, let me get there. So I need to be on the blink. Okay. Okay.
All right. You ready?
No. we will give it a go.
All right, here we go. This is the hardest one, I think. Well, there's 2 of them that are hard. We didn't get to the other one yet. All right, Brian. Ready, set, go.
Okay.
looks like a steering wheel.
Yeah, I was thinking flux capacitor from Back to the Future.
Right.
Which all 3 episodes are on, or movies are on Netflix right now, right?
They are.
Yeah, my kids just watched all of those and had a lot of questions about the 80s.
Yeah, so think about this within the context of computer science.
All right, so compass,
Oh.
browser, cyberbully, I don't know.
Okay.
Oh,
DNS.
and the timer is off.
Did we get any guesses from the crowd?
Let's see.
Compass,
The Mercedes symbol and compass. No, those are not it, Laura. Do you want to say what it is, Brian?
So it's steering wheel, which means driver, and a compass as in navigator. So
Yeah.
we have
So
driver,
any guesses
navigator.
Pair programming?
Exactly.
You got it.
That is abstract.
Well, I mean, it was like, how do you? I mean, I could have put 2 people, but that wouldn't.
No, I meant
Right.
the word, not your drawing. You did a great job.
I was like, how do you do this?
I don't
That's
think you
right.
could have drawn that in any way that I would have gotten it closer.
Maybe draw
That
a
was
pair. You could have drawn a pair, maybe.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That could have worked. Maybe. All right. So now, Becca, we have either 4, 5, or 7.
I'm going to have to go with 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Ryan and Chris, if you would avert your eyes.
I have a brother named Brian.
Must be a good fella.
Yeah.
Great name.
He owes me
All
$20.
right.
So. No, he doesn't know me. You can pay it if you want.
That's it. He must spell it with an I.
All right, you guys can look again. I almost forgot again about that. All right, and we've got 1 minute on the clock. I think Becca's ready. And here we go.
Oh, sorry. I draw into my little name up here.
Okay. Step by step algorithm.
Oh, wow. Good job. Algorithm.
That's good.
Right.
I wasn't going anywhere else with that.
Oh,
I appreciate you bailing me out.
Yeah, that was really good.
yeah. That was really,
I'll go all the way back to 1 here to give Brian that point.
yes. Oh, did I catch up? Wow.
I think you might
All
be
right.
officially close to the lead now.
That's right. All right. So we've got 2 more that we can do. It's either 5 or 7, Chris.
7.
7? All right. If Brian and Becca would close their eyes. Here it is, Chris.
Okay. That's all I'm going to say is okay.
That's right.
Was this the other hard one?
This is the other hard one, yeah. Oh,
Can we open?
Right.
you can open.
Okay. Sorry, what's
Yeah,
that?
open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Oh, goodness. I don't even know where to begin on it. Hold on. Let me do something here.
Yeah, we can wait just a little bit here.
Just need a little wait time.
Yeah, this is a real thinker. It's actually something that a lot of people panic when they see it in the SOLs. That's the only clue that I'm
Are
giving.
you giving hints now?
I'm just saying.
Oh,
It
that's
benefits us though, Brian. So I mean,
okay. Wait. You still?
is he still pondering?
Well, I did a Google image search to get an idea. And
Oh yeah, that's a good move.
really helpful, but-
That's a pro tip right there.
I feel like that might be cheating. Like that
I was
might
afraid
be-
he just wandered off. Yeah.
Okay.
Like that might be
If I
outside the
couldn't draw
bounds.
numbers for when we did the data one, I feel like that is a little.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. Are you ready, Chris?
I think so.
Okay. Let's give it a go. 1 minute and begin.
Binary.
ASCII?
ASCII.
Oh, there it
You
is.
got it.
17 seconds in. She
That's
got
good.
it.
Yeah.
Ask you not what you can do for your country, but what your God,
ASCII.
I had to look. I was
ASCII.
like, how do I draw that?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was,
Should we give
that
extra
wasn't
points
easy.
for anybody who can guess or say what ASCII stands for? Does anybody know?
I know. I do
you?
know.
I was hoping you would know because I know only some of it. I don't know the whole thing.
This was always a bonus question on every one of my Introduction to Computer Science first unit tests. It's the American Standard Code for Information Interchange, which has
Excellent.
since been replaced by Unicode, which has one more bit, thereby doubling the amount of things you can store, which allows for an international alphabet.
Ah, interesting. I guess
My
it moved
students
away
never
from
thought so, but it never stopped me. I just kept going.
it moved away from the international standard part then, huh? Or the
Yep.
American standard.
Yes.
All right. Well,
Yep.
we have one more. How should we do this? Who should we make it so that the let's see, who's in the lead right now? I think it might be a tie between Brian and Chris, which means that this would be a good one for Becca to draw to see.
Why don't we do that as a tiebreaker?
Yeah, the tiebreaker.
Hi, Laura.
Right. All right. So let's go ahead and go to our last. Man, we drew a lot of pictures today. Our
Yes.
last slide, slide 12. And if Brian and Chris, if you would cover your eyes, please. And I'm going to show the last one.
I've got this.
All right.
All right. I just need to be on the right page. Let me know when I can go.
All right. Let me reset the timer. You can uncover your eyes, fellas. And we are ready to go in 3, 2, this is going to be quick. 3, 2, 1, go.
Mouse.
Ding, ding, ding.
I was like, my first was rat. And I was like, that's not a computer science term.
Nice. All right. So Brian is this week's winner. That's great.
Yes.
The winner.
I'm the winter. It is coming.
Yeah. Winter.
We could use some winter.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah. All right. Well, we've had a lot of fun today. For anybody who's watching, just a little promo here that we still have some spaces, correct, in our summer computer science professional development sessions. And you can get to the registration for that at codevirginia.org. And yes, we spelled it right this time, codevirginia.org. I hope you all enjoyed this as much as we did. Thank you so much for playing, everybody, both in the studio and at home. And we're going to call it quits for today. So happy Thursday.
Good to see everybody. Chris, thank you for joining us all the way from Southwest Virginia.
Absolutely.
And we need to think about how to make it a little more interactive next time so we can get that audience participation.
You know what? So the service that we use to do this studio presentation, they just upped it to 10 people. I think that could make it like we could have 10 people in here. So we might jump in and try more than 4 people.
Yeah, we could get some people to register ahead of time.
Oh yeah.
Yes. All right.
That could be that could be a good idea. And maybe Pamela will MC next time because
she's going to be so happy with all the work we've made for her next week.
All right, very good. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for joining us.
Happy 4th, everybody. Bye.
Bye.